Boxcutter supports the use of fonts being used as custom cutters. However, it does come with a few caveats. Let's Shift A and add a text object, and we will just type in font. And from here, let's just press D, jump over to custom, and we'll click this plus icon to mark this text as a custom cutter. So now whenever I click and drag, I'm now drawing using this font that we have over on the side. In fact, I can go over here and type in something else like box, press C in order to mark it as my custom cutter again, just because I am classic. And in the event that we want to rotate this inside, we could always press Shift R to rotate the shape inside, or Shift tilde to rotate the shape inside, or even press D and click on the rotate inside button to rotate the shape inside while the operation is running. So we will just click and apply. From here, I will Shift A, insert a curve circle, and we'll press GX and move this circle over to the side. And I could press Control tilde in HardOps to go under the curve settings, and we could change our shape to basically be 2D and our fill mode to be both, giving us a solid shape. From here, I'm just going to select one corner and press V and change it to vector, giving us this teardrop shape that we can just move around. And from here, I'm going to press C to mark this as my custom cutter. And as you can see, I'm able to draw this teardrop shape using this as my custom cutter. Previously, I was talking about my superstition with marking shapes as a custom cutter. So with this curve, instead of pressing C, I'm going to go in edit mode and press V, change one of the handles to vector, and we're just going to try drawing it again. And we see that the shape automatically updates when we make changes to this particular curve. So just like that, you're able to use curves inside of Boxcutter by marking them as the custom cutter.